The other day I made a video about making a lead magnet with Canva, your computer, and I got some replies. I got some questions like, is it really possible to make a lead magnet with PLR? Because I use PLR, or I want to use PLR, and this is the easiest way of making a lead magnet. Lead magnets are perfect for any business to bring people to you, your services, your products, your email list. You use a lead magnet so that they're attracted to you, your offer, your products, and you give it away. You give them a gift, a lead magnet, to be on your list, and you can sell them something if that's what you want to do. Watch this entire video. I'll explain everything. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. So this video is how to make a book or lead magnet with PLR. The first thing you want to do is pick one topic. So I chose success, and one of the best places that I found on the internet is Tools for Motivation. It's all about success and empowerment. People want that information. You can use it as a lead magnet. You can create products, courses, and make a living just from this. I know people have done this. I've made courses, products, and many things from Tools for Motivation. If you want to find out what this is, there is a link below this video. So number one is pick one topic. Like I said, I chose success. Then number two is narrow it down. So in Tools for Motivation, I go to the store and you could pick anything. Let's say networking, positivity, relationships. A few minutes ago, I saw this, and this is a content bundle, which means there's a lot of information in there. This is $47 if you want to get it. So I click on that, and I'll show you what you get. It's $47. They have things that are a lot less expensive, $27, things like that. But this is $47, and you get 10 blog posts or articles. If it was me, I would take all of the blog posts or articles and make a chapter out of each one. That's your lead magnet, and you're pretty much done. And I'll show you what I do later on with another product, but it's very easy to use. It's in doc formats for Word, text, PDF, or Pages. I use a Mac, and I would use each one of these as a chapter. It also has an audio series with this. So just think about this. They get your lead magnet, they get on your list, they get a thank you page. Thank you for subscribing to my list. Here's your lead magnet as promised. And if you want it in audio, for $10, click this button, you see? And you can sell them a product. You make $10 and it's already done for you. It even has 2 mini reports. You can make a lead magnet out of each one of these. You see how easy this is? They're in doc, text, or Pages. You get slide decks, so in PowerPoint or Keynote, you can make a product out of this. You get posters, you get the e-covers, the PLR license. That's why this is called a bundle. So let's say you didn't want to spend $47, you can use something like this. It's a little bit smaller. You get just a few pages. You get a slide deck, images, a video. But if you want to really make a really amazing lead magnet, something like this would be perfect, especially that you can upsell to get them to buy the audio. This is an example of another product, and I turned this into a lead magnet. It was easy. I got the PLR for this product. It's not very pretty. It's a lot of text. So to make this pretty and professional, I changed the title. I made a book cover just like this from Canva. I added a table of contents. I changed the font, few colors, added my photo, and now it looks like a real product. Look at this. See the difference? This is in Pages, and it's easy. You could do this with Word, Pages, anything like that. Now, step 3 is important because when you pick one product, pick one product. A lot of people would go into a niche and they would add too many things. This is just a lead magnet. Get their attention, pick one thing, make a small book out of it, and you're done. Once they get it, you can upsell them for the audios, and this is easy. If you want to create your own e-cover and not using the ones that come with the original product, you could just open up Canva. There is a link below this video to get Canva for free. I created this cover in about 4 minutes. I could probably do this a little bit better, but in minutes, you can have a book cover with Canva. And once you finish the book, you download the product, export it to a PDF, and it's done. It's so important to learn this skill, creating a lead magnet to build your email list, get subscribers, get people to your offers, and you can really build your amazing business with PLR, Canva, and tools for motivation. All the links are below this video. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.